UK court blocks UK government's attempt to cancel Palestinian students' visa. A recent ruling by a UK court has sparked widespread discussion regarding freedom of expression, national security, and the rights of international students in the UK. The court blocked the UK government's attempt to cancel the visa of Dana Abuqamar, a Palestinian student labelled a national security threat by the UK Home Office due to her public support for Palestinian resistance. This case highlights critical issues surrounding the limits of free speech, international law, and the handling of such cases by government authorities. Topics discussed in today's video update. UK government and the Home Office's cancellation attempt. Court ruling upholds human rights. Reinforcing Palestinian rights and freedom of speech. And we'll also discuss the legal and international perspectives on the case. So stay tuned till the end of today's video update. Stay informed with the latest immigration news. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and share our videos on Facebook, WhatsApp, and X with your loved ones. Let's resume the video and tell you about the UK government and the Home Office's cancellation attempt. Dana Abuqamar, a dual Canadian-Jordanian citizen, was shocked to receive a letter from the UK Home Office revoking her student visa. The Home Office deemed her participation in a pro-Palestine rally and her statements supporting Palestinian resistance as grounds to classify her as a national security threat. This label triggered an attempt to cancel her UK student visa, based on a belief that her actions demonstrated support for terrorism. However, Abuqamar's legal team argued that the UK Home Office had unfairly curtailed her right to free expression, as guaranteed by the UN Human Rights Charter. Let's now discuss the court ruling upholds human rights. At the Manchester Court, Judge Melanie Plimmer delivered a pivotal verdict, emphasizing that the UK government's action had violated Abuqamar's human rights. In her ruling, Judge Plimmer asserted that Abuqamar's support for Palestinian resistance did not equate to endorsement of terrorism or any specific group like Hamas. She clarified that Abuqamar had no clear knowledge of any specific role Hamas played in recent events and therefore could not have intended to support violent acts. Reinforcement of Palestinian rights and freedom of speech. Following the ruling, Dana Abuqamar expressed her satisfaction, stating that the decision reinforced the rights of Palestinians to resist occupation and clarified that support for their cause should not be conflated with terrorism. This case has set an influential precedent for the Palestinian movement and for international students facing similar issues. In her response, Abuqamar stressed that the judgment affirmed Palestinians' right to lawful resistance and the importance of unbiased decision-making by government officials. What's the legal and international perspectives on the case? The European Legal Support Centre, ELSC, welcomed the court's decision, describing it as a landmark moment in UK jurisprudence. According to the ELSC, the ruling counters the UK Home Office's consistent attempts to associate pro-Palestine solidarity with terrorism and antisemitism. They noted that the ruling should strengthen protections for those supporting Palestinian rights under international humanitarian law. Even after a change in government, new Home Secretary Yvette Cooper upheld the initial decision, revealing the political continuity in policies regarding Palestinian advocacy. Conclusion of today's video update. This case between Dana Abuqamar and the UK Home Office emphasises the fine line governments must navigate between national security and the preservation of individual rights. For Abuqamar, the ruling represented a personal victory and a broader step forward in safeguarding free speech and human rights in the UK. This decision serves as a reminder of the importance of upholding principles of justice and balanced governance, especially in cases with implications for global advocacy and human rights. That's all for now. Remember to share this video on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter. Thanks for tuning in.